Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I'm gonna review Apple AirTag, which can be one of the most important product in my point of view. So you can basically track your stuff. So if you add it to your keychain, most of the time we misplace the key, or if you put on our like travel bag or something important, some briefcase or something, you can always see where exactly this thing is at. It is basically for just one simple purpose, to track your device. If you miss something, you can just open the Find My iPhone or Find My device in Apple app in your mobile phone and just track this thing. Okay, so let's open and see, do the unboxing and see what are the important things actually. So if you want to purchase this thing, in the video description I have provided the link. From there you can get it actually. Okay, so these are some of the specifications. Okay, that's not that interesting. So this is the coolest feature. Just tear it off and let's open this particular stuff and see how it looks like. So I think there is something, yeah. So this is easily can be opened from here, and let's take it out. Wow, so you can see that. Let's see what are the things inside this particular stuff. Of course, there are a lot of documentation from Apple, so usually you get it from all your Apple products. There will be user manual and all those stuff. You can definitely go through that. And next thing is that the packing. So it is similar like the lightning cable is packed. So you can see how to locate and also, wow, beautiful. So you can see it's a very small thing. You can even put it on your wallet. And so wallet, you might have your ID card, your debit, credit, all the important stuffs usually in your wallet. You can keep it in the wallet, just as much as the size of a €1 or €2 coin. So you can easily put it there actually. So let me take it out. Wow. So here you can see there is a small coating is here given here. This is, so once I open this, it looks really cool, and basically you can put it wherever you want to put actually. So the moment I pulled there is a sound came from this thing, so you can be pair this particular stuff to your Apple iPhone and track easily. So if you want to purchase, there are like the documentations are quite cool, and there are some ideas also given how to use in that. So in the video description I will be providing the link. From there you can easily get this particular product. You can use it on our wallet, your bags, or as your keychain. You can add it. There is a supportable keychain holder will be there. That also will be mentioning in the video description. You can go and check it actually. Okay, so this is from my point of view, this is one of the most usable device, and I think €30 or $30 something it cost, but it worth it actually. Okay, and once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.